This is my maiden voyage of my Ascend FS12 Kayak. This thing moves through the water. Wow. I say I'm a little more than surprised that it moves this easily. Stable. Holy Toledo. I can live with that. Picked this up in Bass Pro Shop's outlet mall day before yesterday for half price. And returned. She's just dandy. This is going to be nice. Ooh, there we go. There we go. You come back after it. All right. Oop, lost him. In for a second. Well, I've just come back from my maiden voyage of my Ascend FS12T Kayak. Caught one little fish that got off on me, a little smallmouth. But I'll tell you what, I really like this. This thing, you can stand up in it. You wouldn't want to make a habit out of it, but you can stand up in it. And it's very stable. I had a 10-foot Journey 10 SS that I got from Walmart. It's pretty good, but I had to make stabilizers. I had to put stabilizers on it to make it safe enough or comfortable enough to fish out of without the thing flipping over. This thing, you ain't got a problem with that. He weighs about 76 pounds. It's a little hefty to lift around, but it's worth it. The paddle's like a dream. It tracks really well. It doesn't get blown around real easy. I really like it. The seat is comfortable. It's really comfortable. Like I said, this is the maiden voyage of it. And they're, the older ones are supposed to have get a little bit of water in them occasionally. I'm going to check real quick inside this little compartment here. See if there's any water. Nope. Dry as a bone. That's a good sign. And read this one review where this guy said that they get that taken care of. And I'll tell you what, I really like this thing. It just glides through the water. I was fortunate. I picked this up at the Bass Pro Shop outlet for $300. It's half price, just a return. Not anything wrong with it. Heck of a deal on it. The Ascend FS12T. Oh, something I did a little bit of modifying here. There's no way to pick it up on the side. And so I was trying to figure out some way to put handles on it without getting up underneath the thing. And trying to get underneath the in between the hull so I could put a backing behind any kind of a handle that I put on it. But I ended up, it's got a couple of holes right here and right here that they've got little helicoils in them, and there's 1/4-20 threads, and they seem to be backed really well. So what I did, these handles, I got these in a yard sale off of one of those exercise rubber band units that you see in yard sales that people just don't buy. But you don't want the, you can't have the handle down in here, or when you go to lift it up, it's going to crank your hand over when the thing starts to go over like that. It's not going to be easy to pick up, because this is pretty good and wide. And by the way, this thing is solid. I mean, it is hard. So what I did, I wanted something that I could lift it up with, and then get my hand on. Have one hand in here and one hand on the other side, wherever it needs to be, and carry it. Because it's just almost impossible to lift the thing up on the side. There's nothing to grab. There's nothing to grab. And so I put these on it. Like I said, these come off of those little rubber band stretchy exercise little deals. Works great. See if I can get this on the camera here. Just lean it over. Just pick it right up. Then you put your hands on the other side of the kayak. I mean, and then you're good. Works really well, and the holes are already there. Now I'm able to pick the thing up. You can say it weighs 75 pounds, but that's really not too bad. The stability I'm getting out of this thing, I really like this. Got a good front end on the thing. It doesn't get blown around. This is awesome. I don't think you'd be sorry if you got one. Let's see if I can get this on film on how much effort it takes to load this up. It's not really too bad if you're in shape. I'm 60 years old. I'm in decent shape, so we'll just see how much effort it takes with my little handles to get it up in the back of the pickup. Junk out of the way here. Grab my little handle. Back straight. There's a little handle for standing up. Saw that a couple times. Different channels. I did. It works just fine. Appreciate you taking the time to look at this. And this is FS12T. I don't think you'll be sorry. This one, I'm going to keep this one. This bad boy is awesome. Thank you very much for watching.